Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Lance Howery and today we are talking tech. We're going to be talking about the HomePod Mini from Apple and I'm really excited. This thing, I've wanted it since it came out and I got it on order, but it took a couple weeks to get it in. They are selling out fast for the holiday season if they haven't already. This thing looks really cool. The video that they showed showing this thing off just really enticed me. At $299, the HomePod is really out of reach almost for a lot of people, but at $99 this really becomes a smart speaker to grab the Apple ecosystem and grab the Siri experience for your home. So anyways, let's dive into this video and see what it has to offer, guys. Alright guys, so we're diving in here to the HomePod Mini. Let's unbox this thing. Apple unboxing just gets the juices flowing, so let's dive in. The sweet Apple packaging, it never gets old. Their packaging is so good. Let's dive into the speaker. All right, okay, first thing I see, guys, is that the cord it comes attached. It's not a detachable cord. That is really interesting. It means you can't get an extension. It means you're going to be plugging in directly just using this length right here. But this thing looks awesome. You got this mesh on the outside. It's very soft. Let's be honest, this looks a lot better. I know it's maybe similar, you're talking about a sphere, when it comes to comparing it to the new Echo devices, but this just looks better than the sphere. I mean, you don't have the complete sphere on top. You kind of got that flat area. It's going to be a touch, have the ability to touch it and change the volume, pause your music and stuff like that. This thing is awesome looking. Let's see what else is in the box. Came with a power brick. That's pretty sweet, guys. This is I believe a 30 watt, 20 watt power brick, USB-C, and the new iPhones don't even come with a good power brick. That's pretty sweet. It pays for itself right there. Well guys, this is the unboxing. I mean, there's not a lot. Let's take this tab off the bottom here. Got the Apple logo on the bottom. Nice, soft place to sit it down. I love the gray mesh. Looks really good. I think that's gonna look really good in the house. My wife will appreciate it a little better than the black charcoal Echo that I recently bought. She was a little upset about that charcoal. But I do want to pick up another HomePod Mini. I haven't had the chance to right now. Just trying to buy some stuff for the channel to show you guys, and so the funds are limited, but I'm really excited to try this. So let's dive in, let's plug it in. I'll turn on my turn on my screen recording so we can you can see how this sets up. All right, let's go. All right guys, so Apple Music privacy thing came up on here, so I'll hit continue on that, and then the HomePod Mini things comes right up. You hit setup. All right, I'm gonna put this in the living room again. Last smart speaker I put in the living room, but that way we can do some comparisons later on in the living room, and I can do some long-term comparisons, and then I can tell you guys about them. So we'll set this up for the living room for now. Okay, so the HomePod can recognize my voice, so I'm gonna put recognize my voice. Personal requests. Use Siri or HomePod to access your messages, reminders, calendar events, and more. Use personal requests. Siri for everyone. Siri can recognize the voices of each person in the home to provide access to their own music, reminders, calendars, and more. Invite people to your home app after setup. Okay. Hit agree to the terms and conditions. All right. I'll blur that out so you guys don't see my email address. Center the HomePod in the frame. Okay. Okay, so, all right guys, so it's setting up right now. Apple is the king at purely amazing, simple setup. It doesn't get easier than the Apple ecosystem when it comes to setting up devices, whether it's the AirPods, whether it's the Apple TV, or the HomePod Mini, or the HomePod. This is just a simple setup for Apple. I mean, setting up new computers, setting up phones, they have really integrated their systems where it allows you simplicity. Simple as that. All right, guys, so I'll speed this up for you. Well, no, there it is. It just set up.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's get started. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Apple Music One now playing.
Hey Siri, stop.
I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat.
All right, guys, so we are set up. Now, I am going to have to set up Apple Music. I don't have Apple Music right now. I've been using Spotify, and I kind of bounce back and forth between Apple Music and Spotify. But I am going to get Apple Music so we can test the speaker out truly for the music portion. Let's see here. Hey Siri, tell me the weather in Kansas City.
It's currently clear and 48 degrees in Kansas City, Missouri. Expect partly cloudy skies starting tonight. Temperatures are heading down from 48 degrees to 36 tonight.
Got something for you. All right, let's see if we can play a podcast. Hey Siri, play the Men in Armor podcast.
Just a moment. Okay, Men in Armor podcast coming up.
What is a warrior's most trusted ally during battle? There are countless answers to this question. The cavalryman relies on the strength of his mount. The swordsman puts his trust in the sharp edge of his blade. For you are not ill-equipped. Now suit up, fight on. Hey Siri, set your volume to 5.
I'm on it. This is as quiet as I get.
Hey Siri, set your volume to 50%.
I'll speak at 50%.
My podcast are lucky. I don't know if I have any views. Hey Siri, set your volume to 85%.
This is me at 85%.
Hey Siri, set your volume to 100%.
I'll speak at 100%.
Zane Potter. And let's be honest here, it's not exactly 5-star medium.
All right, guys, so that was a little taste of the volume. I used my podcast that I do with a friend. But anyways, guys, this is a really cool speaker. Really, the comparison is going to come down to how well it works with the smart home. And I'm going to have to set up some of the smart features to show you guys. I don't think it would work right off the bat, but let's give it just a quick shot. I have a TP-Link thing set up, so let's see if it transfers from my phone to this, or if it's something I have to set up specifically here. Hey Siri, turn on the logo.
Okay, done. Base logo light is on now.
It worked, guys. That's really awesome. So, all right, guys, that is it. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing. This wasn't a full crazy video with every detail of this HomePod. It's got so many things that it can do. I mean, you can do intercom, which you can get 2 of these and you can talk to them in different rooms. You can talk to other phones. You can talk to other people that have AirPods in. We're gonna give that all a try. We might do an intercom video. I don't know where this is all taken, but this was a quick unboxing, and we are going to showcase this speaker even more. We're gonna showcase it against Google. We're gonna showcase it against Amazon Echoes. We're gonna showcase this really against itself, and so what can it do and what can it not do. And we are gonna dive into those in future videos. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you have not, and leave a comment. I want to talk to you guys. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys later.